Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, and of our other realms and territories, Queen, Head of the Commonwealth, Defender of the Faith, to all lords spiritual and temporal, and all other our subjects whatsoever, to whom these presents shall come, greeting. Know ye that we, of our especial grace, certain knowledge, and mere motion, in pursuance of the Life Peerages Act 1958, and of all other powers in that behalf us enabling, do, by these presents, advance, create, and prefer our right trusty and well-beloved counsellor, Alistair MacLean Darling, to the state, degree, style, dignity, title, and honour of Baron Darling of Ruilanish, of Great Bernera in Ross and Cromarty. And for us, our heirs and successors, do appoint, give, and grant unto him the said name, state, degree, style, dignity, title, and honour of Baron Darling of Ruilanish, to have and to hold unto him for his life. Willing, and by these presents granting for us, our heirs and successors, that he may have, hold, and possess a seat, place, and voice in the parliaments and public assemblies and councils of us, our heirs and successors, within our united kingdom amongst the barons, and also that he may enjoy and use all the rights, privileges, preeminences, immunities, and advantages to the degree of a baron duly and of right belonging, which barons of our united kingdom have heretofore used and enjoyed, or as they do at present use and enjoy. In witness whereof we have caused these our letters to be made patent, witnessed ourselves at Westminster the 1st day of December in the 64th year of our reign, by warrant under the Queen's sign manual.
I, Alistair, Lord Darling of Ruilanish, do solemnly, sincerely and truly declare and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth, her heirs and successors, according to law.